you look at a property, the owners, do you just keep updating the owners of the property if it sells?
Okay, so that's another piece that during the closing process, there will be an action that basically closes out the transaction itself, in which case it will take the buyers and move them into the owners.
Right, that's what I was talking about. So that's good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
There's like 10 different things that it'll do. It'll take, and this is not in there yet, but it's going to be a closeout action for an activity for a transaction. So you can basically just say, these are the things I want to do. The actions could be update the owners. So it takes the buyers and puts the owners on there. Updates the some commission stuff. It will take the transaction information, any attached documents, stuff like that, and create a zip file that you could then give to your broker. And you know, a lot of brokers want to have their information for archival purposes. There's a few other things that it'll go through and just kind of do that closing process of things for people that need that. But you'll be able to optionally choose what you want to do and what you don't want to do.